Hi splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Greek yogurt. In a bowl you are going to measure out 5 cups of milk. To that you are going to add in 1500 ml of room temperature water. So I noticed the standard measuring cups normally comes in 250 ml or 240 ml, whichever one you have. If you have the 250, that's about 5 cups of water. If you have the 240 ml, that's about 6 cups of water. Now you are going to give this a stir and go in with 1500 ml of hot water. So what we need is equal amount of room temperature water and hot boiling water. This will help balance out the temperature of your yogurt. You can go ahead and do the finger test to check the temperature of your yogurt. You just have to dip a finger into the mixture. If it stays in for about 15 to 30 seconds, then you are good to go. Get a bowl and a sieve. Sieve your yogurt mixture to remove any milk particle that was not properly mixed. Get a small bowl and take out little amount of your yogurt mixture. I will be using this culture to activate my yogurt. You can get this from any baking supply shop. Pour the yogurt culture into the smaller bowl of your yogurt mix and stir properly. After stirring, you pour the mixture into the larger bowl of your yogurt mix and mix everything up nicely. Now you are going to cover up your bowl. You'll be needing a kitchen towel or any thick cloth that you have to further wrap this bowl, because you need to allow your yogurt to set. Now I'll be using this very thick cloth that I have because my bowl is a bit big, so I don't have a kitchen towel that can wrap this up perfectly. Now I'm going to wrap it up and also get a nylon bag. You can use as much cloth as possible to wrap your bowl. Okay, I'm going to get this nylon bag and put it inside to also wrap the bowl, right? After which I'm going to transfer this to my microwave. You can put it in the microwave, your oven, or any place that is very warm in your house. Please note, if putting in your microwave or your oven, it should not be on. Okay, you just want to place it there and leave it for at least 8 hours. So I would advise you do this overnight. This was the following morning and it's time to unveil, guys. Now you are going to find out if you actually have a yogurt or not, because trust me, yogurt making can be very tricky. Guys, can you see how this turned out? Like, it was so perfect. The yogurt was so thick and creamy. Can you see? Factors that can hinder you from getting a perfect result such as this is: number one, your yogurt mix might be too hot when you add your yogurt culture. So that's one thing you want to consider, which is why it is important you do the finger test. Another thing is if you are using expired culture, so please, when buying your culture, make sure you check for expiring dates. Okay, I used my whisk to mix everything up nicely and also run it through my sieve for that very lush, smooth and creamy texture. At this point, what you have is your normal drinking yogurt. To further make your Greek yogurt, you have to pour the mixture into a cheesecloth. I actually did not notice my phone was not recording, but what I did is I transferred it to a cheesecloth and left it for 5 hours. Can you see the liquid mixture that was at the bottom of that bowl? Yes, that is what you are going to extract. It is called whey, right? That's, if I'm not mistaken, but yeah, that's it, guys. Now what I have is my very thick, luscious, smooth, creamy yummy Greek yogurt. You can decide to sweeten or not sweeten your Greek yogurt. Okay, you can use honey, you can use date syrup, you can use sugar, whichever one you prefer, okay, to sweeten your Greek yogurt. But this is what we have, guys, this yummy goodness. So I hope with this video you can make your Greek yogurt from the comfort of your kitchen. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.